Corporate training programs are designed to create a difference and develop skills for the employees. However, most corporate training programs tend to fail. According to the British Chamber of Commerce, 60 to 90% of the skills learned during training are either forgotten or never applied to the job. Let's discuss 8 reasons why corporate training fails to help you avoid making those mistakes and instead reap success. Poor planning. Disorganized programs will lead to frustration and lack of commitment. Make sure your program is planned and organized, checking a box instead of developing talent. One of the reasons employees dislike training is because it feels like a checkbox they need to add to their list instead of a legitimate way to get ahead in their career. A lack of focus on immediate needs. Listening to videos or lectures for hours can be boring and static. Getting what you need when you need it is time well spent and ensures the job will be done because of the training provided. 75% of corporate training programs fail because of their inability to link work to context. This is why relevancy is so important. When the wrong training is employed to the wrong audience, it will waste time and the organization's resources. Making sure your training is engaging and relevant is crucial into making sure your employees develop. Poor leadership participation. 69% of employees claim that they would put in more effort at work if their actions were acknowledged. Lack of feedback lowers employees' self-esteem and confidence, resulting in poor organizational performance. Smartphone addiction. Half of Americans have reported that they have smartphone addiction, so it's up to you to make sure there are distraction-free spaces to train. Lectures instead of interactive learning. Lectures can be repetitive and monotonous for learners. With icebreakers, polls, whiteboards, breakout groups, annotated notes, quizzing, and more, there's no reason online training shouldn't be interactive. Lack of measurable results. Your e-learning data holds invaluable insight into your organization. Make sure you leverage it by knowing the worth of your data, where you can find it, and how to track it. Making sure your LMS has these capabilities to find your data and make use of it is essential. Your LMS is an important success factor in your training. At Knowledge Anywhere, our LMS and other resources have helped companies like yours for 25 years. Visit us today to make sure your training is successful.